Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Best answer. Amazon Echo Show devices support live TV via Alexa skills such as Food Network, Bloomberg, and Hulu. You can also watch live TV with the addition of a Fire TV Recast device or directly on the Echo Show through Amazon's Silk or Mozilla's Firefox web browsers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yep, you can essentially use your Echo Show as a security camera monitor. If you have an Amazon Echo Show, of any size, Echo Spot, or even an Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can check in on cameras such as Ring Video Doorbell, Arlo Pro 3 or Nest Cam IQ Indoor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Say, Alexa, open Red Bull TV, and select from the following menu options: Featured, Live TV, Films, Shows, and Clips. The general command, Alexa, Watch TV, will also provide Red Bull TV as an option to select along with many of the content providers listed within this article.
Let's help you make your mark.
Echo Show might look like a tablet, but it's not one. It runs Alexa skills, not apps, just like the Echo and Echo Dot. According to The Verge, you will not be able to download apps from the Amazon App Store or Google Play on Echo Show.
Take our lead.
You can get your Echo Show to start playing movies, trailers and videos merely by asking Alexa. For example, you can say, Alexa, play the Justice League trailer. To narrow your query, Alexa will present several options on screen, which you can then select by voice, or by tapping the display.
Take our lead.
Echo Show 5 connects to Alexa to give you vivid visuals on a 5.5 screen with a crisp full sound, all in a compact design that fits in any room, in any home. See on-screen lyrics with Amazon Music. Set alarms and timers. Catch up on news highlights and movie trailers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.